morning student. Today we will solve first chapter exercise of class 8 computer. Our first question, choose the correct answer. Which software is needed to perform the booting process? Utility software, application software, operating system, none of these. So tick the C number option, operating system. Question number 2. What kind of an operating system is Windows? Multiprocessing, multitasking, multithreading, all of these. Tick the B number option, multitasking. Which of these is not a system tools? Disk cleanup, system restore, GUI, disk defragmenter. So tick the C number option, GUI, graphics user interface. Examples of mobile operating system are Windows device, Windows mobile, Windows drivers, all of these. Tick the B number option, Windows mobile, because it is a mobile operating system. The major layers of are shell, kernel and devices drivers. Operating system, distributed system, Linux system, Unix system. Tick the A number option, operating system. Next question, has a number of system tools which help us to maintain the system. Windows XP, Windows 98, Windows 7, Windows 8. Tick the C number option, Windows 7. Fill in the blanks. An operating system OS is an intermediary between the user and computer. So fill the user and computer. Without a computer is useless. Without an operating system, fill the operating system. Next, mobile operating system are and, so fill the Android and BlackBerry or Windows मोबाइल. यहाँ पे आप लोग एंड्रॉयड और ब्लैकबेरी फिल कर लीजिए. नेक्स्ट, हार्डवेयर मैन्युफैक्चरर ऑल मेक्स ड्राइवर्स एंड सपोर्ट ऑफ विंडोज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. फिल द विंडोज ओएस और विंडोज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. नेक्स्ट, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वाज वन ऑफ द अर्लीस्ट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम टू बी डेवलप्ड. Microsoft, so fill the Microsoft. Hard real time system guarantee that critical tasks complete on time. So fill the hard real time. Next, refer to putting data of various input output jobs in a buffer. Fill the pooling, POOLING, pooling. Next question, state true or false. The operating system may control the hardwares. Fill the true. Next, Unix was developed in Bell Laboratories in 1991. False. OS manages devices communication via their respective drivers. True. Operating system keep evolving after the period of time. True. Distributed systems are referred as loosely coupled system or distributed systems. True. The Linux system picks and begins to execute one of the job in the memory. False. Next question, answer in one or two words. First question is, what is the most important software that run on a computer? So आंसर इज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. What are the most well-known operating system? Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Next question. What is known as time sharing system? So answer is time sharing is a technique which enables many users located at various terminals to use particular computer system at the same time. Next question. What is DOS stand for? DOS is stand for disk operating system. Next, which operating system is a single operating system? DOS. DOS is a single operating system. Who developed the Unix and when? K. Thomas and Dennis Riches. So dear students, your exercise will be completed. Exercise have completed. Next आपका लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चंस होता है, ये मैं आपको डिवीज़न वर्क्स में आपके ग्रुप में ही दे देते हैं, आप वहीं से कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा और रिवाइज भी कर लीजिएगा. ओके, दैट्स ऑल. थैंक यू.